well, today's Nerdventure takes us to the Golden One Center in Sacramento for the Xfinity Aerial Sports League $25,000 California Drone Speed Challenge. It's a mouthful. It's a team race. There's teams of 3 pilots. Pilot takes off, does his laps, lands, they unplug it, they plug in a new copter, next pilot takes off, and they go like that for 20 minutes at a time. We ran 1 round of qualifying yesterday and 1 more round today, as well as finals. And we're gonna have some spectators in the stands. We're gonna do live streaming. I'm here announcing with Colby Curtola, and the whole aerial sports crew is already hard at work hours before we get underway. Everything actually went really well yesterday, so I'm stoked to see what today does. We've been working in the studios, and the teams are starting to show up, starting to go down. Final round qualifying starts off in, I don't know, a couple hours, so these guys aren't super nervous just yet. They're starting to get there. And then I made Colby do all the handwriting because I had very poor penmanship. Thanks, Colby. But this will be my office this afternoon. So fancy. See that? See that?
To our host. 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We're going to stay on the logo.
Ladies and gentlemen, for the second year in a row, the Aerial Sports League presents the biggest drone race in California history. The Xfinity California Drone Speed Challenge, Level 2. Introducing our announcers for today's race, please welcome Charlie Swanka and last year's race winner, Colby Curtola.
Thanks very much, Jay. It's great to be here. I'm super excited for today's event. The teams have been working hard for a whole day already. They got up bright and early this morning, been wrenching on copters all morning, and we're going to have some great racing this afternoon. Colby, what do we have to look forward on this wonderful layout today? Where's the hot spot, I'd say?
The whole track, I'm going to call it the hot spot. This track is intense. These teams are going to be racing with 3 pilots. They're going to be switching off like a batting order, very similar to baseball order. So you're going to see pilots come into the pit area after the batteries are dead. These batteries last about 2 minutes. They're going to land. The next pilot in line is going to get up in the air. So you're going to see a lot of action down in the pits going on. And that's where it's going to make or break the race for a lot of these teams. Quick pit stops, getting back on the track as fast as you can, and start piling those laps up.
A little bit of gamesmanship involved too. There are some rules to the format. They do have to do clean pit stops in the actual pit lane. If they crash out in the middle of the lap or before they get into the pit lane, actually you got to deduct a penalty as well. So consistency and speed are going to be a big key factor here for the teams, and I'm excited to get started. And we are off and rolling. Teams are out like a shot and leading the way. The green lights of Heart of America comes out swinging. They are our 2nd seed right now. Our qualifier yesterday, they did 41 laps in 20 minutes and 29 seconds. And we'll keep you updated on the paces. It'll kind of shift around a little bit as we run here. But it's a 20-minute clock that each of the teams is winding down. We're doing 2 rounds of qualifying. This is our 2nd round kicking off right now. And they have 1 final shot to beat out Son of a Pitch. 34 laps is the time to beat right now. So we'll be keeping an eye on that pace. It's still very early on in this one. Put your hands together for Team Son of a Pitch. 33 laps and a 20-point drone combat right there. Through qualifying, I'm walking down to see what's going on. There's a VIP section all up in there. People are partying. I want to go that way, but I got to go this way.
Oh, F2. Red F2.
Hey, Travis, what have you been doing? Anything fun?
Just trying to lick your camera.
Could you hear us down here at all?
Nah.
No.
I think we heard you like during intermission or something.
Oh, 10 biggest. Are you swapping my reload?
Is the console actually called B-Main or?
Yes.
2 minutes remaining, 39 laps for Elephant, 39 laps for Heart of America. It looks like Team Canada with 38 and Demon Power Systems with 36. Canada for sure has 1 penalty with a maybe on another one. Heart of America has 2, Elephant has 1. But right now, Elephant and Demon Power Systems are tied after penalties on our unofficial count. Elephant pushing hard there on their outlap. Overpass on top of the not so bright red lights of Team Canada coming in with pits. Almost punked them right out. And looks like Canada back up in the air. All 4 teams off and away. See Canada's lights like to change just a little bit on that car. Final minute, 15 seconds. So here's our battle right in front of us, folks. The blue lights is Team Elephant, the green lights is Heart of America. They are running nose to tail. We got 1 minute remaining. They may be out on their final pilot. They may need to come in for a splash and go. Team Elephant all the way here from Sweden and Norway. Team Heart of America making a long trip from Arizona, duking it out here at the front against Team Canada and the Demon Power Systems. And it looks like starting to stretch out just a little bit now for Team Elephant. 35 seconds on the master clock. Another 20 seconds on the master clock. Elephant has picked up the pace. Heart of America falling back right now. Maybe going into battery conservation and make sure they can keep it in the sky. Team Canada coming into the mix now. They are down a lap but charging hard and hoping that the penalties work out. Time on the master clock is expired. They are racing to the line. Ladies and gentlemen, make some noise for these teams. They've been working hard for the last 2 days to put on a great show. Our unofficial winners, Team Elephant, second spot going to be Heart of America, Team Canada, and then Team Demon Power Systems after that. We will get the official call for you guys in just a moment. That has been the 2018 California Drone Speed Challenge, brought to you by our good friends at Xfinity and the Aerial Sports League. We thank you all for joining us. Stick around. We will get you the official rundown of the scores here in just a couple minutes. All right, the results have been tabulated and it is official. Demon Power Systems finished in the 4th position, 42 laps in 20 minutes and 6 seconds. Team Canada with their penalty got 42 laps in 20 minutes and 2 seconds. Heart of America did 43 laps in 20 minutes and 7 seconds. Team Elephant also did 43 laps in 20 minutes and 3 seconds. 4 seconds separated Elephant and Heart of America. Pretty awesome. So ladies and gentlemen, one more time, if you can still hear us, give these guys a round of applause. They appreciate it as do we. My name is Charlie Slanka. This is Colby Curtola. It's been Jay Shoemaker giving you the drone damage. We are the Aerial Sports League, and we cannot thank Xfinity and the Golden One Center enough for having us and putting on this show. Thanks, guys. And you need a mic to drop. Hey, send us some beer. Oh, we can go up there now. Yeah, good idea. The race is over. They have a VIP area. The open bar. All the things up here. Nate. That's it. Aerial Sports League, California Drone Speed Challenge, the Golden One Center in Sacramento. I'm done. I'm out. I'm going to Axial Fest.